Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review and taste test of HAUS XL Shadow Cut tobacco flavored vaping juice e-liquid. So just to take a second out here, it only takes about less than 7 seconds to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Anyway, back to the video review. So let's see if we can get the camera to focus a bit. Let's see here. It's a 30 ml bottle, so 30 milliliter bottle, and it contains 4 milligrams of nicotine. That's all the information that they put in the bottle for, about what's in there. So, the size of the bottles, 30 ml, 30 milliliter, and there's 4 milligrams of nicotine in there. But what about the most important thing? The PG-VG ratio. How much PG to VG is there? Polyglycerin to the vegetable glycerin. I don't know, because they don't put it on the box, which is bad marketing, because, other vape companies, they tell you, hey, it has, this much PG to this much VG. Maybe, here, let's take it out without dropping it. The Silverback company. And now my camera's going to call me, because this is how the... Oh no, my camera didn't call me. Hey, fine for once. But yeah, see? 70-30. It would have been nice, even if they didn't have to say 70 PG or 30 VG. Just, a standard number so that we know, at least in the ballpark, how much PG to VG we have. Is it more PG than VG? Is it equal 50-50 PG-VG? I don't know. They don't put it on the box. Bad marketing right there. Now, as you may know, in the vape world community and stuff, there's a couple types of flavors that, vapors tend to stay away from. It's like the yucky, the forbidden, unholy flavors. And those two flavors being ice, which if you don't know, ice is like an e-liquid, e-juice, vaping juice. How else can I describe it? It's menthol flavored. That's just what it comes down to. So, if you have a cigarette, you're like, oh yeah, give me a pen, Newport menthol 100, so, give me, I don't know, Marlboro menthols, With cigarettes, you just say menthols. But when you're vaping, you don't say, oh yeah, give me that menthol e-liquid vape juice. You're like, no, give me that ice e-liquid vape juice. So in the vaping community, ice replaced the word for menthol. So when you hear someone says, ooh, this flavor comes in ice, and you're like, ice? What do? Do they put it in their freezer and freeze it so it turns into ice? No, ice in vaping terms for the vaping community means menthol. Don't know why they just can't say menthol, but no, they say ice. Just like those nit salts, they don't say how much nicotine's in there. They don't say oh, it has 30% nicotine or 50% nicotine because, nit salts, they have more nicotine than the other non-nit salt e-liquid stuff. No, they go by 0.3%, which 0.3%, that's pretty low. 0.5, that's lower than an actual full figure percentage. But no, in reality, 0.3 be 30 milligrams, 0.5 is actually 50 milligrams. That's right, 0.5 is higher milligrams than this 4 milligrams.